Make empathy your competitive advantage. I define a competitive advantage as an underlying strength that delivers the capacity to consistently deliver a product or customer service that is distinctly different from that of the competitors. Michael Porter suggests that access to an uncommon resource can be such a strength and therefore a competitive advantage if it reduces the cost of production. I propose that empathy can also be a strength and therefore a competitive advantage, given the capacity of empathy marketing to drive customer lifetime value and reduce marketing costs. Empathy is most often defined as the ability to sense another person's emotions, coupled with the ability to imagine what someone else might be thinking or feeling. In a marketing context, empathy is the key to predicting and meeting customer needs while exceeding customer expectations consistently. Academic and author Brené Brown defines empathy as communicating the incredibly healing message of "you are not alone." In a marketing context, empathy can demonstrate a connection with the primary target market and establish the foundation for a relationship and loyalty. Researchers point to three types of empathy: cognitive empathy, understanding the emotional state of the target audience; emotional empathy, connecting with the target audience emotionally; and compassionate empathy, taking action to address the emotional state of members of the target audience. HBR reported that businesses with a strong focus on empathy in their customer service outperformed their competitors by 85% in terms of sales growth. Customer Thermometer found that 68% of customers will leave a brand if they perceive it as indifferent to them. And the American Marketing Association found that 79% of consumers want brands to show that they care about the customer. 64% of customers say that a brand's demonstration of empathy influences their loyalty. So, to develop an empathy approach to marketing. Firstly, develop an empathy mindset, rejecting ego and intuition while recognizing the impact that biases have on your decision making. Secondly, develop a deep understanding of the target market, looking beyond market research to embrace consumer insights, observations, and experimentation. Thirdly, establish an empathy culture where all the staff embrace the power of empathy and have the skills and motivation required to display empathy consistently. Fourthly, establish an avatar for each market segment and an empathy map addressing what that market understands, thinks, feels, sees, hears, plans, and does. Fifthly, establish that the values of the brand or business are aligned with those of the staff and the target market. And sixthly, maintain a brand community and leverage that community to implement a co-creation approach to product and customer experience development. For more on why and how to make empathy a sustainable competitive advantage, visit www.djohncarlsonesq.com. That's www.djohncarlsonesq.com. Or email me, johnc@linkintegrated.com. That's johnc@linkintegrated.com. I'm John Carlson. Thanks for listening.